Imagine you're struggling to save money, trying to make ends meet. Yet every month, your bank account seems to drain faster than you expect. You're not buying luxury cars or going on expensive vacations, so where's your money going? The truth is, it's often the small, everyday decisions that make the biggest difference. In 2025, managing money has become more challenging than ever. Prices keep rising, new technology keeps tempting us, and clever marketing tricks make us believe we need things we don't. Poor spending habits can keep people stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, even when they work hard to get ahead. But here's the good news. You can take control of your money. By learning what not to spend on, you can start saving more, reducing stress, and planning for a better future. This video isn't about the usual advice like skipping coffee or shopping sales. Instead, we'll dive into 6 surprising things people waste money on in 2025 and explain why avoiding them can change your financial life. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in the same spot financially, this is your chance to break free. Let's uncover these traps and find smarter ways to save. Number 1. Fast fashion impulse buys in the Metaverse. In 2025, fast fashion isn't just about cheap clothes from stores. It's gone digital. Welcome to the Metaverse, a virtual world where people hang out, work, and even shop. In this world, you can buy digital outfits for your avatar to wear in virtual meetings, games, or events. At first, it sounds fun and affordable. Who wouldn't want to look stylish online for just a few dollars? But here's the catch. These virtual clothes don't exist in real life. Once a trend fades or the Metaverse platform changes, the money you spent on those digital outfits is gone forever. It's like buying a shirt you can't touch, wear in real life, or resell. Fast fashion in the Metaverse also works like its real-world counterpart. It's built on trends. New collections are released constantly to make you feel like you're missing out if you don't buy. For people struggling financially, this can lead to wasted money on something that doesn't provide lasting value. Instead of spending on virtual wardrobes, invest in timeless real-world items that you can use every day. If you need a digital outfit for work or gaming, look for free or affordable options. Better yet, avoid the pressure to keep up altogether. Remember, your worth isn't measured by how trendy your avatar looks. By skipping impulse buys in the Metaverse, you can save for things that truly matter, like improving your skills, real-world experiences, or building financial security. Number 2. Gimmicky social media filters or effects. In 2025, social media is more immersive than ever. Platforms now offer advanced filters, augmented reality, AR, effects, and special editing tools to make your posts stand out. From transforming your face into a celebrity lookalike to placing you in exotic virtual locations, these effects are fun, but they come at a price. Many of these features are no longer free and require monthly subscriptions or one-time purchases. For people on tight budgets, spending on these gimmicks can be a hidden money drain. Social media companies use clever marketing to make users feel like they need these filters to stay relevant or to boost their followers. They sell the illusion that a few clicks can create a glamorous, perfect online presence. But the truth? These tools rarely add real value to your life and can leave you chasing an endless cycle of upgrades and new effects. Instead of paying for these filters or effects, focus on authentic content that doesn't rely on gimmicks. Free tools or basic editing apps can still create great posts without costing a dime. And remember, your online presence doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful. Social media trends will come and go, but wasting money on flashy effects doesn't bring lasting happiness or success. By avoiding these gimmicky expenses, you can save your money for things that truly improve your life, whether it's skills, experiences, or long-term goals. Number 3. Cheap but expensive energy alternatives. In 2025, energy is more expensive than ever. People everywhere are looking for ways to cut costs. This has created a market for affordable energy solutions like cheap solar gadgets, energy-efficient appliances, or do-it-yourself (DIY) power systems. At first, these options seem like a smart way to save money. But the reality? Many of them cost more in the long run. Take cheap solar panels, for example. They're advertised as a quick fix for high energy bills. But these low-cost options often break easily, don't produce enough energy, or need expensive repairs. Similarly, some DIY energy kits require a lot of time and skill to install correctly. If they fail, you could end up paying even more to fix the problem or return to traditional energy sources. Another trap is low-quality, energy-efficient appliances. While they claim to save electricity, many are poorly made and need frequent replacements, eating into your savings. A smarter approach is to research before you buy. Look for trusted brands, government programs, or community energy sharing projects. Renting or leasing energy-efficient equipment can also be a better option if you're on a budget. Saving on energy is important, but not all solutions are worth the cost. Instead of chasing cheap fixes, focus on reliable and proven options. By avoiding these expensive mistakes, you'll not only protect your wallet but also set yourself up for smarter, sustainable energy savings in the future. Number 4. Get-rich-quick investment schemes. In 2025, the promise of easy money is everywhere. Ads for AI-powered trading bots, new cryptocurrencies, and online investment courses flood social media. They all have one thing in common. They promise quick profits with little effort. For people struggling financially, these offers can feel like a golden ticket. But here's the truth. Most of them are scams or risky schemes that lead to losses. For example, many new cryptocurrencies emerge claiming to be the next Bitcoin. They use flashy marketing and influencers to attract investors, but most fail or disappear overnight, leaving people with nothing. Similarly, investment gurus sell expensive courses that teach little more than basic advice anyone can find for free. AI-powered tools are another trend. While some are legitimate, many promise to predict the market and guarantee returns. In reality, no tool can perfectly predict investments, and trusting them blindly can lead to financial ruin. The key to avoiding these traps is understanding one simple rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Building wealth takes time, patience, and effort. Instead of chasing risky schemes, focus on safe, proven options like index funds, savings accounts, or learning about personal finance from trusted sources. Avoiding get-rich-quick schemes isn't just about protecting your money. It's about staying focused on long-term goals. Don't let the promise of easy money derail you. True financial success is built step by step, not overnight. Number 5. High-tech gadgets promising productivity. In 2025, new gadgets hit the market every day, claiming to make life easier, faster, and more productive. From AI-powered planners to virtual reality (VR) workspaces, these tools are marketed as must-haves for anyone wanting to stay ahead. But for people struggling with money, these devices often do the opposite. They drain your wallet without delivering real value. Take holographic personal assistants, for example. They promise to organize your life and boost productivity, but most features are things a simple app or calendar can already do for free. Then there are smart notebooks or expensive digital pens that claim to improve work habits, but end up being unnecessary for most users. Another common trap is buying the latest tech just because it's trendy. VR headsets for remote work might sound useful, but if you don't truly need them for your job, they're just an expensive toy. The problem with many of these gadgets is that they don't actually fix bad habits or time management issues. They only add more tools to an already cluttered routine. The better choice? Stick to multipurpose devices, like your smartphone or computer, and use free or low-cost apps to improve productivity. Before buying anything, ask yourself, will this really help me save time or money? High-tech gadgets might look impressive, but they often overpromise and underdeliver. By avoiding unnecessary purchases, you'll keep more money in your pocket for things that truly improve your life. Number 6. Overpriced convenience foods and drinks. In 2025, convenience is king. Delivery apps, prepackaged meals, and trendy drinks like protein shakes or lab-grown snacks make life easier for busy people. But these convenient options often come with a high price tag, draining money faster than you realize. For example, meal delivery services advertise themselves as time savers, but they charge extra for every step of the process: delivery fees, service fees, and even small tips. A single meal could cost 2 or 3 times what it would if you cooked it yourself. Similarly, prepackaged healthy snacks or drinks like energy bars or cold-pressed juices might look like smart choices, but they're often overpriced and can be made at home for a fraction of the cost. Another trap is the rise of AI-driven, personalized diet plans. These apps suggest special meals or drinks tailored to your health goals, but they often push expensive, unnecessary products that add little value. Instead of spending on overpriced convenience foods, try meal prepping at home. Use a smart grocery list app to shop efficiently and cook in batches to save time. If you crave a fancy drink, look up simple recipes to recreate it at home. Convenience doesn't have to cost a fortune. By skipping overpriced foods and drinks, you can save hundreds of dollars each month and still enjoy healthy, delicious meals. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your financial future. Building wealth isn't about earning millions overnight. It's about making smart choices with the money you already have. In 2025, it's easier than ever to waste money on things that feel necessary in the moment, but add little value to your life. These small expenses add up and keep you from reaching your financial goals. The best news? You have the power to change. By avoiding these common traps, you can save more, reduce stress, and take control of your finances. Every dollar you don't waste is a dollar you can use to invest in your future, whether it's learning new skills, paying off debt, or growing your savings. Now it's your turn. Take a closer look at your spending habits and ask yourself, what can I cut today to build a better tomorrow? Your future self will thank you. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.